Welcome to Gifted Underachievers. In this behind-the-scenes segment, brief though it is, Pat is lecturing James on the difference between a sweater, a jumper, and Kurdistan. Fascinating stuff when phlegm causes a significant interruption.
Turned out Kyrgyzstan is in Central Asia. I kind of knew where it was, but not really.
Yeah.
So, sorry.
Oh, there you go. You got it. Don't let it go.
Whoa! Where it's coming from, I have no idea because I'm not sick.
No, I get it all the time.
Maybe it's dietary. Like maybe I need to stop drinking milk or something.
And actually, so it happens when we're doing our thing, and it may be because talking a lot.
Oh yeah, because I hardly spoke yesterday.
But it's also during the morning. So like,
yes,
there are times where I have to call somebody in the morning, and I haven't actually spoken to anybody, and they answer the phone. I'm like, ah.
Same here.
It's like, and
I know. That's a good one. I should actually go for a very brisk walk every morning before I sit down because that would clear the lungs.
Yeah, sing. Do some singing.
Huh?
Do some singing while you're walking. There you go. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do.
Me.
The rain in Spain falls mainly on the
La, 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 la. Or do like a Faye Dunaway as Mommy Dearest. I don't know if you've ever seen that movie, where she dips her face in a sink full of ice water and like actual ice in the water, plunges her face in there, and then does a bunch of, I don't know, getting ready for the studio. Right? She has to go to the studio. They get them up at 4 a.m. Something like that. Do like a very rigid morning protocol that's going to clear the lungs for the day so I can shout at people with some kind of, elasticity in my vocal cords.
I can berate the help clearly now.
I'm not berating them with like
Yeah. Oh, how embarrassing.
Let me just hook that Luger.
To be beating the footman. You cough up a lunger.
Yes. Indeed.
Thanks for listening to this little bit of silliness. Gifted Underachievers, the podcast for mid-level creatives with delusional ambitions, is available on Spotify, iTunes, and anywhere else you'd like to get your podcasts. We'd love it if you'd hit the subscribe button. It's free, and we promise it's pretty much always going to be free. So we'd love to have you. Thanks, and have an awesome day.